Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without having to sell your soul to read endless reviews. Today, we're diving into the sky with two budget-friendly drones, the Heygelo S90 and the ATTOP W10. Buckle up because we're about to take off on an informative ride. Let's kick things off with the price. The Heygelo S90 is priced at a very wallet-friendly $59. On the flip side, the ATTOP W10 will set you back $69. If you're on a tight budget, the Heygelo S90 might have already won your heart. Now, on to the camera quality. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but the ATTOP W10 comes with a 120 degrees wide-view lens. That means you can capture more in one shot. Heygelo S90, on the other hand, has a standard 1080p camera, which is still great for your aerial selfies. If you're a budding drone cinematographer, the ATTOP W10's wider angle might just give you that edge. Reviewers have praised the Heygelo S90 for its overall camera quality, though some have noted it's not top-notch for live streaming. Next up, let's talk about flight functions. The Heygelo S90 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It can flip, spin, and even fly in circles. The ATTOP W10 isn't far behind with its 360 degrees free flip, headless mode, and toss-to-launch feature. Reviewers of the Heygelo S90 love its versatile flight functions, while ATTOP W10 users appreciate the toss-to-launch trick. So if you like showing off at parties, both drones have got you covered. Both drones offer multiple control methods: remote, app, voice, and gravity. The ATTOP W10 has a unique toss-to-launch feature, which is a neat party trick. Meanwhile, the Heygelo S90 offers a VR mode for that first-person view. Reviewers have noted that, while these control methods are fun, the voice control isn't always reliable. If you're into VR, the Heygelo S90 might just be your new best friend. Safety first, folks. Both drones come with propeller guards. The ATTOP W10 goes a step further with high-quality ABS material for its blades, and an alarm to warn you when the battery is low. Heygelo S90 also has full guards and offers a stable flight, making it perfect for newbies and kids. Reviewers appreciate the durability of both drones, noting that they can withstand multiple crashes. Last but not least, battery life and portability. The Heygelo S90 comes with two modular batteries, giving you up to 26 minutes of flight time. Plus, it's foldable and fits right into your backpack. The ATTOP W10 doesn't specify its battery life, but it does come with spare propellers, which is a nice touch. Reviewers have praised the Heygelo S90 for its longer flight time and portability, while noting that the ATTOP W10 has a shorter battery life, but is still a great option for beginners. Both drones have received positive reviews for their performance and value for money. The Heygelo S90 is praised for its affordability, camera quality, and ease of use. However, some users have raised concerns about its lightweight build and privacy issues with the app. The ATTOP W10 is appreciated for its advanced features, durability, and ease of use, though some reviewers have noted issues with control and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The Heygelo S90 and the ATTOP W10. Two fantastic drones that won't break the bank. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly flyer or a feature-packed sky buddy, both drones have something to offer. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying guides. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart.